Hello everyone, this is Parrish. Today is Wednesday, May 30th, 2012. Time, 11:51 p.m. This video is about a strange light in the sky. And this particular strange light in the sky remind me of a blanket of flames that I have seen after I was given a prophetic sound premonition. I'm on this website called Truth Behind the Scenes, and they have an article here. Harp, strange light in sky over boundary, Negros or Central Philippines, May 20th, 2012. They more or less think is an object from harp, something from harp, but is this the people's opinion? Let me just show this video.
Bed-stuy, ano pinalukpok na sa babaw ang ano ng estima na? Ang turublo, may gas ki dyaw gagwa. Kung may gapok da amat putik so nga. Oo, gagwa. Hindi na yan ako ano. Yan ikinala ng may nakilag kung kabalot na magamunga. Ang iyanap na niya, no?
I'm play it again.
Bed-stuy, ano pinalukpok na sa babaw ang ano ng estima na? Ang turublo, may gas ki dyaw gagwa. Kung may gapok da amat putik so nga. Oo, gagwa. Hindi na yan ako ano. Yan ikinala ng may nakilag kung kabalot na magamunga.
Okay, this looks a little bit like what I picked up along the way. Basically, I'm trying to say I have seen blankets of flames that came along with my prophetic sounds, and like I said many times before, that I believe the next big thing people will be videotaping and uploading in YouTube will be blankets of flames. Now, I think this object looks like a blanket of flames to me, and is in the sky like I predicted. But what I saw specifically pertaining to blanket of flames were that the blanket of flames were over cities, and I believe this one was over a city. But my blanket of flames looked similar to this. Let me show you my blanket of flames drawing. The title of this video is called Parrish's Prophetic Drawings. I uploaded this video on April 13, 2012. And it's in my YouTube channel called Amazing 2007 full. And here, this is my artist's conception of a blanket of flame, or a sheet of flame, or it could also be called a strange light in the sky. So like I've been telling you guys and you gals, that I believe one day soon, somebody or people will begin videotaping blanket of flames that will be seen in the heavens or in the sky, I believe have come to pass. And it came to pass through one person who videotaped a strange light in the sky that looks like a blanket of flames to me on May 20th, 2012. So I also believe that this one video is just one of many videos that's on their way. I believe more people will begin videotaping these strange things that look like sheets of flames or blanket of flames, okay, over their residence or where they work, or more or less just where people are moving about. So there you have it. The first video I showed you, I believe, is a fulfillment of my prophecy, and I'm expecting more people to make more videos of similar things like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and everyone take care.